It's approximately 5 o'clock in the morning and my son got me up cooking. So this is the Field. I made a breakfast bagel with cream cheese, egg, and some vegan mozzarella cheese with the Field maple sausage. I don't know. It's made with apples, maple syrup, and nutmeg. And then I got some non-dairy yogurt, and then this fruit mix that I made. It's peaches, watermelon, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and I put a little bit of agave in there. Earlier I had nuts, but I'm not even supposed to be eating this, so I just, made it do what it do. Look at that. Why do I got it on cinema mode? Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Let me buy that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. That's bomb. I got cream cheese up here too. That's good. And that's a real egg. I'm not vegan. I'm just trying to do better with my life. But that's good. Yes. Let's see what's popping. Look at that. Mm-hmm. 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 That's really good. And that fucking vegan yogurt or non-dairy yogurt or whatever, that shit is good. It still tastes the same and your stomach don't be hurting and stuff. Mm-hmm. And that watermelon, mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. And then I just wash it down with some lemon and lime water. And fun fact, I put a little bit of table salt in there because when you do that, it helps you to absorb the water and not feel dehydrated and feel like the water is actually, doing something for your body. So try that out.